There are a few intricacies to be aware of when you're deleting tracks, playlists, and channels from your Disco account. When you delete a playlist, it's removed from all the channels that it's in, but none of the tracks within that playlist will be deleted. This is because tracks can live in hundreds or thousands of playlists at the same time, so it wouldn't be very helpful if they were all deleted when you deleted one of those playlists. When you delete a channel, it will delete the folders inside of it, but it won't delete any of the playlists or tracks that are inside of it. When you delete a playlist, you'll see two options. One is to delete all versions, and the other is to delete the latest version. When you edit a playlist, it creates a new version of it. So if you ever want to revert to the last version, because you don't like the edits you made, then you go to the delete option and say delete latest version. If you don't want this playlist in your Disco account anymore, then you delete all versions, because it may have been edited 50 times over its life in your account. A common use case to reference here is to delete an album of tracks that you no longer need. Often, a user will go to the playlist menu that has all those tracks in it, and they'll delete the playlist. None of the tracks are deleted at this point, and they still live in the background of that Disco account. So you find the playlist and open it, select all the tracks, and then delete them from the menu at the bottom of the page. Then you delete the playlist. So that's the process. Delete the tracks first, and then the playlist that was grouping them together. Lastly, there's no undo function in Disco. So if you accidentally delete playlists or tracks, just write to our support team in the bottom right corner and ask them to undelete those playlists or tracks.